Vaibhavi Thakkar Desai and I'm principal designer at TV Studio Designs, and at SpaceX I'm going to talk about my 600 square feet corporate office project, and I'll just quickly go through the main points of what were our ideologies for the project. So it's a 600 square feet corporate space, and builder being the client, it was a very strategic design. So it was like a ready to move in homes that you must have heard of. It was like a ready to move in office, and there was some suspected bias for the same. So they had certain set of brief that was given to us. The first brief was that it has to be like an open planning. They didn't want like a 600 square feet to kind of have a very fixed up spaces, and it has to be more breathable. So our first idea was to bring in simplicity, functionality and rationality, and which is where this idea of putting the theme of Bauhaus came into the picture. So as Walter Gropius always kind of worked upon very simple linear lines, also looking into the characteristics of digital movement, the idea of red, yellow and blue color was taken into consideration, respecting industrial growth materials like steel and concrete. Now here they were used as the aluminium sections, also looking at the budget, and the wallpapers were showing the idea of concrete in the spaces. Now taking to the layout of the space, the moment you enter, there is a waiting area, there is a small reception, there is a bathroom and a pantry next to each other. There is a conference area, there is a staff area which is a complete open space, and there is one main cabin. Beyond that, there is a window that kind of takes you to the view of the area around, because this is the only high rise in that particular area. So we have given two swings for a kind of a break free space, which we always call it in the offices, since they are the most of the time it's like a second home. You're going to be in that space most of your hours, hence you need some breathing around. All the furnitures that we have designed, they even have that complete open design understanding, where we don't have a lot of shutters, we've not used a lot of hardwares to build this. So whosoever buys this can also adjust the requirements of privacy of certain elements of products or stationaries where they want to lock it up. So otherwise the entire idea was to emphasize on practicality, which is seen in Bauhaus inspired furnishings, which are more durable and they're very friendly with its usage. Thank you.